From tomorrow, we are going to step into technical items, right from installation, understanding what is what, why, how, etc. And sessions will be completely into practice zone. I will be taking care of complete notes, interview questions, answers. Like for example, few minutes back I did one class and this is how you get the notes. Concept, examples, interview question, FAQs. Again, concept, examples, interview questions, FAQs. I mean, our notes would be like this. To make it simple, we'll start from the very basics on what is SQL and slowly step into installation from tomorrow. Then we'll understand SQL basics. From SQL basics, we need to slowly step into other activities. Multiple levels of SQL basics we learn. About 50 examples we are going to learn on SQL basics. Chapter 3 has about 10 examples, and then 5 plus 5, 10 examples. Then chapter 4 has about 30 examples, 27 examples. Then you have interview questions, tasks and solutions, another 10 each, 55 total. And then we go for Excel imports and other basic activities to start with. Only then we are good enough to start RDBMS concepts. What is that? Relational database system. From RDBMS comes different job roles. So what is this DBMS? What is RDBMS? We are going to learn it today. For every concept, I will take care of the entire notes, interview questions, answers with complete practice. Please promise me you will practice on time, everyone. Please, from tomorrow. Yes, please, everyone, from tomorrow. Yes.
Yes.
I could see 2 people saying yes on chat, 1 person on mic. Others, please, please. Yes, we'll practice on time from tomorrow, please. From tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
We need.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Let's get started now. Thank you. Let's get started. Let's understand what is database to start with. I said we have 2 levels of introduction. One basic level, one detailed level. We'll do both today. Database, a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, fully secured. And to operate on database, we have something called DBMS, Database Management System. Okay, here it is. DBMS, Database Management System, is a software to store, secure, and manage databases. I repeat, you are given an Excel file. Assume, yes, after the class today, you'll be given an Excel file with, just wait, I'll take you back to this screen. I'll give you an Excel file. That Excel file contains our job roles for data engineers, job roles for data analysts, job roles for developers, etc. To open that Excel file, what we do? Just wait for a few moments. Yes, now it should be working fine. To open the Excel file, what we do? We require MS Office in our computer locally. To open the Excel file locally, we require MS Office. Same way, to operate on Databases, we need something called DBMS, database management system. So it's the software we are going to install tomorrow. I'll show you step by step how to do the installations. To store, secure, manage databases, we need the software, free software. You'll be receiving the download link today, and we are going to get it installed tomorrow. So example DBMS include SQL Server, IBM DB2, MySQL, Oracle, so on. Different companies came with different software products to manage databases. So we are using MS SQL or SQL Server we call. What is SQL Server? It's a DBMS from Microsoft. Cheaper, easy to use, and free technical support with free updates. Supports any cloud platform. Cloud means remote storage. Remember, what is that? Remote storage. Okay, next. I repeat again, we are understanding slowly three important keywords today. What are they? Database. What is database? A platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. Any type of data, any amount of data. There comes database. Okay, next. Then we learn something called DBMS. Come on, what is DBMS? DBMS is a software, right? DBMS is a software to manage and maintain databases. DBMS is a software to manage and maintain databases. Observe carefully. Next. From here, we have something called DBMS, right? What's the purpose of DBMS? Let's observe carefully. Okay, purpose of DBMS. DBMS is a software to manage, maintain the databases. One such DBMS is SQL Server, remember. Next. From here, our next screen, types of databases. There are two types of databases, OLTP to store live real-time data, like a live cricket match, online banking activities, anything live, OLTP. Then we have something called data warehouse to store historical data. To store historical data, to store old temperature data, old stock market operations. Just like godown in our city, showroom is OLTP, godown is warehouse. Now the question why we are learning them today? To understand our job roles. We need to understand what we need to do and what our colleagues will do, right? Given a project, there will be developers, engineers, analysts, admins. Who is going to do what? That is required. That will decide our installation tomorrow. So we're understanding first, what is database? Number two, types of databases. What are the types of databases now? Come on, please, everyone. OLTP, data warehouse. Okay, basic types of databases. There are other types of databases coming up in next 20 minutes from now. We'll slowly understand. How to work with number one, live OLTP, number two, and data warehouse. We'll do it slowly, step by step. Next, live OLTP showroom, just like a live cricket match. Now batsman hits a boundary. What next? We see old data, right? Past records, that is warehouse. Let me tell you now, without warehouse, there is no data science. There is no machine learning. There is no AI. Data science, AI, machine learning, everything are built on top of warehouse only. In our classes, we need to take such end-to-end implementations practically. So we need to think an extra mile in understanding what is what, how to use which, and when to use which. We'll start from the scratch. Here we are, database. This is our course SQL concepts. You may need to step into engineering, you may need to step into analytics directly or over the process in the flow. So accordingly, here is our course plan. Left side OLTP databases, remember. I repeat, I said there are two types of databases, right? OLTP and what's the other one? Data warehouse. And I said few more coming up. You see on my screen something called OLAP. I repeat, we have something called OLTP, okay, and something else called data warehouse and OLAP. OLAP on the right side, top right, we have something called OLAP. What are the full forms? We'll get them one by one. OLTP means, remember, come on, what is OLTP? Please, any idea? What is OLTP? Please, we need them, right, to understand our course, to understand what is what we need to learn, why, how. For that, we need the definitions. What is OLTP, please? You remember?
Uh, Online
Online,
transaction, online transaction processing,
online.
transaction processing.
Others, please. You wanted to continue for the course. It's a demo for me, not for you actually. I need to understand whether the participants are in line with my things or not. We need to understand the chemistry each other, right? I need it. Please understand, please. Others, please help me, please. You remember what is OLTP? Full form, please.
So
Online
online transaction processing database.
Others, please help me, please. I'm requesting here. I'm requesting. Please help me. I'll continue. Yes,
Yes,
OLTP.
online transaction processing.
Exactly. Online transaction processing database. Attendees were attentive. Attendees were learning more, responding more. Will be getting more and more on my screen. Apart from that complete detailed notes, which is common for everyone, we have extra items for interactive participants, additional tasks. You need them, I need your response. It's a demo class for me. I need to filter the participants. Please help me. Please help me. Traffic is happy for me. I'm getting happy traffic. So I should be more cautious now. Please help me. It's not like, okay, someone giving training, so let me do blah, blah. No, nothing like that. Please understand. Involve, we get it. We have a lot of things to do, lot of journey to do next. One course, our journey should not end with one course, right? We should have rapport after the course. Please help me. We'll continue. OLTP, online transaction processing, that is the left side. SQL developers will be involved in OLTP, remember. Data warehouse, data engineers will be involved in warehousing. That is a job role. So in this process, we have something called ETL, data factory, data bricks are ETL. I understand new terms, but we should know what is what. We are slowly understanding what is database, types of database. Now our job role, either data engineer, SQL developer, or data analyst, Power BI, or Azure BI. BI means business intelligence. Complete pack is Azure BI. Remember this. So from here, what data engineers will do? Design warehouse, extract, transform, cleaning the data, security, optimizations. That is data engineer job role. Here it is. What is this? Data engineer job role. Then what about data analyst job role? Yes, if you are into data analyst, then it's all about Excel. It's all about Power BI. And apart from this, it's all about SQL. Okay, so here it is. I'll just refresh my screen. Just wait for a few moments. You are seeing data engineer concepts on my screen. And next comes data analyst, SQL, Excel, Power BI, these items. So here comes the concept of, I'll just put this here, okay? Just wait for a few minutes. Yes, on my screen, just wait for a few minutes. Okay. Here it is. From SQL, we have something called the technology of SQL activities. We have analytics. Part of data analyst job role. We have ETL and cleansing activities. Data analyst have to take care. Dashboards and cloud concepts. Data analyst job role. In this process, we have something called visualizations. We have something called as Power Query. We have something called data analysis expression, DAX, services, Power BI services, and Power BI server. These are the data analyst job role activities. So data engineer is different, data analyst is different. Together is equal to BI, business intelligence, BI developer program. From here on my screen, we are going to start with yellow bars from Monday next week. Today, tomorrow, we are going to have the introduction, installation, basic activities for filtering the things. We complete installation, then we are ready to start the course from Monday. Right from the basics of SQL, right from the very basics. We'll do it carefully. SQL basics will start. After SQL basics, you'll proceed for data engineering, Power BI, or mix of them. It's up to you as per your course plan. After 6 months, 1 year down the line, once you gain experience as a data engineer or a data analyst, then definitely you'll come back to us. We need to go for Fabric at that time. Maybe 6 months or 1 year down the line. Well, we'll do it carefully. Okay, let's continue. With this information, any questions, let me know, please. We'll start our session.
Yeah, please continue.
Yeah.
No questions as such.
Any questions, please let me know. I'll
Yeah,
wait.
actually I'm having. Is SQL DBA is related to same with Azure Data Engineering or both are different?
DBA is entirely different actually. DBA is more into database administration. The certification, the job roles are entirely different. Entirely different.
So this is comes under the part of the SQL developer.
SQL developer is different, administration different, data engineer different, Power BI different, separate certifications. All together, job roles are different completely. Our course is also different. Yes. I'll take it anyway. We'll talk about database administrator job roles, developer job roles in next few minutes. Okay, I'll take a look at them. Okay, we'll do. Give me some time. We'll do.
Yeah, thank you.
Sure. Thank you. Fine. We'll start now. Please get ready with some observation notes. We'll slowly start with what is database. Okay, from scratch we'll do. We'll start now. Please give me a few minutes time. Please, if we can write some observation notes, if possible, please. Some scribbling pad and pen, if possible, please. We'll start from the scratch. We'll start from the very basics here. So I assume we are very new to database, right? Everyone, please. Yes.
Yes.
Perfect. We'll start from the very, very basics carefully. We'll do. Okay. So here we go. So please see if we can write your observation notes from now. Okay. We'll start from the very, very basics carefully. We'll understand what is database, why we need database, what are the different career options technically. We'll do it slowly. We'll start from the very basics. Okay. So here it is. We'll start from the scratch on my screen. Do you see my Word document, please, everyone? I'll wait. Yes. We'll start now in next few minutes. Please wait. Fine, friends. We'll start now. Please wait. Well, so here we go. We'll start from the very basics carefully. Our requirement. First, let's understand today. Being the very, very first meet, here is our plan. Okay. Firstly, we are going to learn what is database. First, what is database? Okay. Number one. Number two, we are going to learn why database. Then we are going to learn what are the types of databases. Okay, and then we are going to learn what is SQL, then what is MS SQL. Number 6, we are going to learn job roles, what analysts will do, what developers will do, what engineers will do, what administrators will do, etc. And we'll stop here today. Tomorrow we are going to understand something called DBMS. What is DBMS? Next, what is something called RDBMS and how to install the DBMS and RDBMS software, so that from Monday we shall start the practice. Hope it is clear, please. I'll wait. The plan for today, tomorrow and Monday. Yes. Hope you are ready with your notes. Good to have our notes back to school. We'll do it carefully. Please help me. We have a lot to learn here. Okay. Please help me. Lot of chemistry. Let's enjoy it carefully from Monday's class. And just in case, here is the notes how it is. Today we have some introduction class. From that introduction, you got some questions and answers. Again, next class installation. Tomorrow, questions and answers on my screen. Again, Monday SQL basics, questions and answers. Tuesday SQL basics, questions and answers. That's how it is, one by one, throughout the course. Getting it now? Concept, practice, Q&A. Questions, answers will be given to you directly. You will try to attempt the questions yourself and then cross-check with your answers. Getting it? So that it will save your time. But on-time practice required. If you don't have time to practice now, please practice everything by weekends. By weekend, please make sure you practice everything. Need your support. And the course goes the same way for the complete duration. This SQL basics, MS SQL basics is for 3 weeks, 20 concepts. Let's get started slowly. What is database first? I'll provide you the complete notes. Let's stay tuned. What is database? A platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. Fully secured, faster, and more organized format. Now you should get a question by now. Why we go for database to store the data? Why don't we store it in PDF or Excel? Think of. Please, anyone, any answer? I'll wait. You got my question, everyone? Why we are going for database? Why don't we store data in Excel, PDF?
Jyoti here.
How do you store passwords in Excel? We cannot, right? If I store passwords in Excel, anyone can see, everyone can see, isn't it? Security, right? In Excel, we cannot store terabytes of data, right? Isn't it? Padmavati T, please kindly check your mic, sister. Please check your mic, please. Padmavati, please check it. Chandani A, do you hear me? Please check your mic. I could see you got reconnected just now. Please check it. Chandani A, Chandani Adapaka, please check your mic, please. Yes, friends, are we getting it, please? Purpose of database to store any type of data, any amount of data, more secure, more faster, more organized. Here we have basic types of databases, 3 basic types of databases. OLTP for what? To store live real-time data, live temperatures, live stock market operations, anything live, we have OLTP. And this OLTP database design, let's understand the job roles here. Let's understand, we'll talk about the software implementation next tomorrow. What are the job roles and responsibilities? I'll provide you all this information anyway. Okay, here it is. OLTP databases. Example, a live cricket match. Or, for example, live stock market operations or live online banking, anything live. Observe carefully. And who is going to care about all these? Let's see. SQL developers will be involved. SQL developers will be involved here. And it is more into programming activities, coding. Whereas we have data warehouse databases. Like for example, here it is, old data store. In your bank account, say bank data. You log into your bank account. You would like to get the recent transactions. That is OLTP. You want to get statements for last 2 years, 3 years, 10 years. That is from warehouse. Old data from bank or old temperature data. Who is going to use the old temperature data for weather forecast, right? Isn't it? Yes, we are getting it, please.
Yes.
Without past data, we will not be able to get the new data, isn't it? So old temperature data for forecast activities. Who is going to design this warehouse? Data engineers. And data analysts. Data analysts, here it is. Responsible to design reports using, simply say, analysts. Here it is. Data analysts or any other analytic activity to design reports using above databases, and also responsible to design reports using Excel. But again, Excel can get data from databases and other sources. Let me show you here. For example, I have something called Excel. In Excel, there is a concept called get data. By next week, we are going to learn this technically with example. This one, we can get data in Excel. Here we can get it from server. Analysis means OLAP, etc. So we can get data from various sources and design reports, perform analytics. That is data analyst job role. Next, from here we have administrators, database admins, responsible to manage OLTP and data warehouse, OLTP and data warehouse databases. That is DBA job role. In case you are planning for certifications, here the exam code, Microsoft exam code PL300 from Microsoft. Same way, here we have Microsoft exam code DP203. For your resume, see if you can plan your certification also for better scrutiny. This is DP300. My preference here. OLTP database design is slowly getting automated. Traditional technology. Admins slowly getting automated. Microsoft removed the non-cloud admin certification 2 years back. This is cloud certification. These two items are always in demand. Without data warehouse, no analysis. Without data warehouse, no data science, no big data. Remember that. So it's all about big data. We have something called Hadoop, Hive, Scala, etc. And it's all about cloud computing activities. That is data engineering. I repeat again on my screen. Yes, anyway, I'll just put this way, okay? 2 hours back, we did the same concept for data engineering, and here is the notes to show you the things in an easier way. Here we go. I think, yeah, this one. Just make it simple and straight, okay? Here it is. Here we say cluster, right? This is what cloud computing means. For big data storage, analytics, we require cloud computing. But who is going to do this? Data engineers will be involved. So if you are looking for big data cloud computing, go for data warehouse, data engineer course. If you are looking for more into reporting, then go for analyst. Already decided in the process, continue, no change. But any of them would always work. First and last, slowly getting automated. OLTP, there is no certification from Microsoft now. They removed it last month because of automations, AI. Next, with this information, what we are learning now, what is database, types of databases, and for any project, we need these two. For any project, we need these two. Data warehouse, analysts are required, even for data science also. In case you are planning for data scientists, what they do, use DWH, data warehouse databases, and perform machine learning. This is the actual concept. Without data warehouse, no machine learning at all. Remember that. And use OLTP databases and perform deep learning we call. Machine learning is different, deep learning is different. Let me show you this practically on my screen. Here it is. The end-to-end project implementations always involve multiple teams, database developers, data engineers, machine learning, Power BI. That's called a full stack, data full stack. We need not learn everything, but we need to learn whatever is needed cautiously so that we are ready for our actual job. So this is not an academic course, it's a job oriented course. Let's think from job perspective, not from academics perspective. There will be a difference. Next, we'll go for questions in next 5 minutes. I repeat once again, we are slowly understanding what is database, types of databases and job roles. Now, this OLAP is a database invented by Microsoft in 1996 called SSAS, SQL Server Analysis Services. There they introduced something called data mining. Then SAP copied it. Oracle also copied it, implemented in a big way. Then came data science, and in data science we have the same OLAP activities here. That is nothing but deep learning forecasts. Where is AI? AI is everywhere, part of our classes. No separate course required for AI. AI is part of our classes with examples. AI is everywhere, remember. For example, let me show you. Thank God, my notes is open here. This is from the data engineering activities I was talking about a few moments back. There was a question about Spark on my screen. We have something called cloud compute, I said, right? We heard about something called cloud computing in our BTech or bachelor's degree, cloud computing. That is nothing but data engineering. This is the compute we are going to learn, called Spark clusters. Cloud compute. Once cloud compute is ready, then we are going to have something called big data. Called Hive, we call Hive big data, Hadoop concept. From there we have something called notebooks. Inside notebooks, we will do AI. Generate with AI, this one. AI is everywhere. AI is in Excel, AI is in Power BI, AI is in SQL, AI is in data science, data engineering, everywhere we have AI. AI should not be taken separately. It should be integrated with our learning process. Getting it now? AI is not a separate entity. Without AI, there is no certification in Microsoft now. All Microsoft certifications got updated in Feb 2024 with AI implementations, including Power BI and Azure. So, part of our classes. AI is everywhere, to make it clear. Then where is data science? Here it is, once again, machine learning. So engineering and machine learning, they go together. Engineering is data warehouse. Machine learning is data science. They go together always. Getting it, friends? Without data warehouse, no machine learning. Who is going to do data warehouse? Data engineers. So we are at the base activity. Carefully, once again, either data warehouse databases, data engineers, or analysts, reporting, or developers, admins. Admins, I'll remove this one anyway out of our context. Here are the main prominent job roles. Let's go for questions now. Next, these are the main job roles. Okay, from here comes our next item, number 4, our main topic. What is SQL, our course? Before we proceed, 1 2 3, any questions, please let me know one by one. Please tell me, I'll wait. Take your time, I'll wait, please. Let's think practically, okay? Then it will be easier for us. No academics, please. Any questions here? Let me know. Wait. Yeah. Padmavati, please tell me, sister. Proceed. Tell me. Padmavati, cannot hear you. Please tell me. Please check your mic. Please tell me. Fine. Others, any questions, please? Anup, Chandani, Gupta, Harshita, Padmavati, Ravi Kumar, Vamshi, Jubair, Arvind, and yes, friends. Any questions? Let me know. 1, 2, 3 items.
Um,
As
Hello.
of now, no questions.
Fine, brother. Fine. Others, please. I'll wait, please. Others.
For analyst,
Yes.
am I on?
Yes. Yes.
For
Continue.
analyst, once again, can you explain the data warehouse participation for
For
analyst?
analyst, for
Yeah.
analyst, there is no job role with respect to data warehouse except to access and report the data.
Okay, but
Data
just for the
analysts
reporting,
are,
we need
analysts
database.
are mainly for reporting. Okay, reports mainly for reporting activities, dashboarding activities. Data engineers are mainly responsible for cloud computing, big data, and data warehouse ETL activities. Both
So
are different.
analysts don't do any live activities.
They do live reporting activities, dashboarding activities.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Well, here it is. Meeting. Fine, friends, let's continue. Please wait, friends. Please wait.
Please continue.
Yes, friends, we'll continue next item. Here we go. What is SQL? What is SQL? Let's see. Simple and straight. Very simple, friends. You and me are talking to each other, right? How? By using one language. We need to talk to database by using SQL language. Are we getting it now? Please, everyone, are we getting it?
Yes.
See, we have multiple databases, right? To talk to database means to store the data, retrieve the data, or any operations on the data, we require SQL. So what is SQL now? Here it is. A communication platform to store and operate on databases. A communication platform to store and operate on databases. Observe carefully. Simply say operate. To touch any database, we require SQL. As simple as that. Any touch on database, we need SQL. Next, there is something called MS SQL, a small variant of SQL. Okay, it is a variant of SQL used to store and manage databases in Microsoft platform. I'll wait for some time. Observe carefully. Here it is. Very simple and straight. You may ask me the difference. Let me ask you this question. What is the difference between mobile and iPhone? What's the difference? See, this is a branded term, right? Isn't it? Are we getting it or not? Expression is required. Expression, right? Continue. No problem. Hear it. Please, let's involve, let's enjoy. We get it. We need to get into our job. It's very, very important. Confidence is important. Subject control is important, please. So expression is important. Mobile, iPhone, OS, Windows, SQL, MS SQL. So MS SQL is a brand of SQL. We are going to learn SQL concepts first. slowly step into MS SQL. We need to have at least one brand in our resume. We cannot go only by the basics. So basics we'll do a half century first, about 50 examples. Then we are going to step into MS SQL. We'll do one by one slowly. Please have a look at it carefully. I'll wait. Okay, next. With this information, now a small diagram to understand the SQL and MS SQL part. A small diagram, we'll do it slowly. And then we'll start with DBMS concepts tomorrow. Please wait, okay? Just wait for a few moments. Yes, on my screen. SQL first. SQL first. To talk to any database. Okay, to call someone, I need a mobile. Branded mobile iPhone. Another brand Samsung. Same way, one brand of SQL, MS SQL, also called TSQL. One more brand called PLSQL from a different company. One more company, one more SQL. Different companies, different brands of SQL. Our course, yellow, green. Getting it now, please. We'll stop for today. We'll stop for today. Let's go for questions now one by one. And tomorrow, what's the agenda for tomorrow's class? We slowly understand tomorrow's agenda. We are going to slowly understand DBMS, RDBMS installation. So whatever we did so far till now, please see if we can go through it carefully. Okay, please wait for 1 minute. Please. Please wait, friends. Please wait. Please hold on. WhatsApp వచ్చిందా? I actually continue. Yes, friends. So what we learned so far today? Let me know, please. I'll wait. Yes, friends. Please wait. Can you hear me, everyone? Anjana, Bhargavi, Divagna, please check your mic, please. I'll wait, please. Wait. Cannot hear you. Please wait. Please wait. Cannot hear you. Please wait. Yes, can you hear me now, please? Perfect.
Yes.
Perfect. Thank you. Please wait. Right. So here we go. 1 minute. Yes, friends. Attendees from Zoom, I think there is some miscommunication, and the link was not visible to me earlier, not accessible to me earlier. We'll start from the scratch tomorrow anyway. So here it is. We are learning what is database first. I'll give a recap, okay? What is database? Why database and types of databases? Well, what is SQL? What is MS SQL? Our job roles. This is the agenda for today's class. And tomorrow we are going to learn slowly DBMS, RDBMS and installations. Okay, this agenda for today's class. Tomorrow we are going to have DBMS or DBMS installation. From Monday we are going to start our actual practice right from the basics of SQL. Tell me one thing, friends. How many hours you can practice per day? GK question, right? Please. How many hours you can practice per day? Please, everyone. Please, I'll wait. Please, mic with you all. Please help me. Please help me. Mic with you all. Yes. Mic with everyone. Please help me. Please, everyone. 2 to 3 hours happy. Then I will be the happiest person on here. Clearly. Please. From tomorrow, we are joining on time 9 a.m. sharp anyway. Okay, I'll get the standard link from the team. We'll make it anyway. From 9 a.m. sharp tomorrow, 9 to 10. Well, please make it at least 1 hour every day from Monday. Getting it? Tomorrow we are going to do installation. Saturday extra class optional to attend for doubts on installation. Getting it? No technical class on Saturday. Our class would be Monday to Friday, but Saturday would be an extra class. Saturday is very, yeah, here it is. Okay, additional, optional, doubts clarifications for installation. Make sure you don't park it for Sunday. Sunday you'll be busy, I know. So do it on Saturday itself. Getting it now? Practically speaking, we know what happens on Sundays, right? That too, we have IPL matches now going on, right? ICC World Cup going on. So another big thing for me. I have to care about it as well from your practice end. So make sure we do the things carefully from tomorrow. Today, let's understand what is database. Why database? Types of databases. What is SQL? What is MS SQL? And job roles. Let's see. What is database? A platform to store any type of data, any amount of data in a secured, faster, organized format. A platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. For what? For secured, faster, organized format. So basic types of databases. OLTP, live online transaction processing database. To store live real-time data like live temperature. Anything live. Like live online banking, live stock market. Data warehouse to store old historical data, inactive data, past temperature data for accurate forecast. So without data warehouse, there is no OLAP, online analytical processing database. Without live, there is no past. Without past, there is no forecast. 1, 2, 3. I repeat again, observe carefully. Without OLTP, no data warehouse. Without data warehouse, no OLAP. Mixing them together in an easier, simple way on my screen, I'll show you in a small diagram. Here it is. OLTP left, data warehouse middle, OLAP right. Observe carefully. OLTP left, data warehouse middle. You got ETL in between, data engineering, job role. OLTP, SQL developer job role. Power BI, OLAP, data mining, BI developer job role. What analyst will do? Analyst will report from anywhere, everywhere. Data analysts can report from OLTP databases, Excel, CSV, PDF files, data warehouse, and SSAS like this. From anywhere we can build reports, that is analyst job role. With this information, let me take you back to our notes. I'll make these notes available for you anyway. Please take a print copy if possible. Job roles and responsibilities. OLTP databases, like live cricket match, live stock market, online banking, etc. for SQL developers. Data warehouse, databases, data engineers, big data, ETL, cloud, so on, cloud computing activities. Analysts completely into reporting. I was showing you reporting item with few lines, few moments back. Data scientists, they consume data warehouse and build machine learning, deep learning activities. So data engineers, machine learning, data scientists will have a common play area called Spark. This one. Data engineering, machine learning will be always in a common playground. We call it as machine learning playground. This is big data and cloud computing called Spark. Spark clusters we call it. Next, so we cannot see them separately. So what we do now, we should be cautious with our job role. One project includes everything. We need not learn everything, but we need to concentrate on our actual job role carefully. Is what we need to do from Monday. For that, we need to have installations tomorrow. What is SQL? Observe carefully. Our actual concept from Monday's class. What is SQL? To recap, just giving a recap. Different types of databases. To touch those databases, we need SQL. Communication platform to operate on databases. MS SQL, a variant of SQL to store, manage databases in Microsoft platform. I repeat, SQL to talk to any database. Just like mobile has a brand iPhone, Samsung. OS has a brand Windows, Linux. Same way, MS SQL has a brand that is from Microsoft. Microsoft came up with MS SQL implementing ANSI SQL or open source SQL. So these two items from Monday's class. Tomorrow we are going to do installation. I'll wait for some time, and here is a diagram, small diagram to get some idea. To touch any database, we need SQL. To talk to databases in Microsoft SQL world, we need MS SQL, TSQL. Yellow item, green item, our actual course from Monday's class. I'll wait for some time. Please go through carefully item 1, 2, 3, 4. Any questions, let me know. I'll wait. We'll stop for today. Meeting from tomorrow 9 AM sharp. Any questions, please? I'll wait. Yes, any questions, please let me know. Please, I'll wait. Any questions?
Hello, I'm Ravli. Is there any possibilities of class at 8 o'clock or apart
Friends,
from that?
any changes on time, please contact the admin team. Okay, we have multiple schedules. I think 8 o'clock will be taking another 2 weeks time. One course is already going on right now for 8 o'clock. It will take 2 weeks time for the next batch.
Yeah, because 9 o'clock we have another call.
Please speak to the admin team regarding the course schedules, okay, other things. Item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, please, any questions, let me know. I'll wait, please.
Okay.
Yeah, please, anyone, everyone, please. Item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are important to understand our job roles and examples from Monday. We need it, please. Fine. So tomorrow meeting 9 o'clock start. 9 AM we'll start the class sharp 9 AM, and we are going to slowly understand something called DBMS. I'll give a recap of today's item, and then slowly we'll understand DBMS installations. Tomorrow's
Sir,
on my
Jyoti
screen.
here.
Okay,
Jyoti
we'll stop.
here.
Thank you. Have a nice
Hello.
day. Jyoti, yes, madam. Please tell me. Proceed.
Yeah, after the courses, do we have any live project? or we just learn things?
Friends, I got a question about the project. Project is a part of our course. I'll take it anyway. Project solution, project FAQs, part of the classes. For example, your interviewer may ask you what you did in your project. What are the challenges you faced in the project? Those things
Yes.
should be the takeaways you see on my screen, including project FAQs, explanations. We'll take it anyway one by one. Part of our classes we'll do for every course. Yes.
Okay. Yeah,
Next
thank you.
question, please. I'll wait. We'll stop for now. Any questions, please? I'll wait.